Hello everyone. So last video medu takadzidza about how to format text, tikadzidza about how to use a break tag, tikadzidza how to use an HR tag. So ndisati ndapinda into this video's content and ndoda kutaridza something. Okay, so if you see text yedu yanga yakawanda zvokuti tisingakwanisi kuiona yese kawani ungoifa ngoto scroll this scroll bar here kuti uone text yako yese. So kana uchida kuti yese ibude ka1 pekuti unenge uchiona text yako zvisene ma tags ako kuitira kuti usavhiringidzike, you come pano apa kanzi view kunomusoro, you click it and you look for toggle word wrap, this one, then you click it and you start to see your text yese ka1. Kana uchida kushandisa shortcut, you click or you press out and set it once, then you see it sends us back kune zvainga chimbori. If you click it again inobva yabuda yese iri ka1 out and set at once. So let us jump in this video's content. Okay, so in this video we want to learn about a style attribute. This attribute is used to style among my tags. Every tag rine zvarinokwanisa kuchinjwa kuti riite kuti kubrowser kwedu ribude riri different than zvarinenge riri by default. So let us start by clearing this text in last video made so that you can see what I am talking about. Here let me just change this to the style attribute like this, and here we say styling like this. So I just want to put a paragraph that this lesson is about styling HTML tags like this. So I have saved. So we want to learn how we can put style to these words here. This is a heading and this is a paragraph, and also we'll put a style to our background, like the whole background. So how do we use a styling tag, a styling attribute? Let us come in H1. So if you still remember our attributes like we did with image source, or we did with a links href, here when we are using a styling, we just put in any tag that we want to style. For example, here I want to change the color of this heading, this H1. So I come in the heading as opening tag and I put an attribute which is style like this. You see. So this is how to put a style attribute in a tag. So for example, I want to change this color to blue. So what do? I come here, I write color like this. I put a colon, this colon, and then I write the color I want to put, blue. You see, and then I put a semicolon. This is what you do. So this is how we write a style. We put the attribute like any other attribute, but inside we have a way of putting our style. We have a style property which is color. That's what we want to change, and we'll put the value and we'll put the semicolon at the end. See, so the property and the value is separated by a colon, and then when we finish the style, we'll put a semicolon. This semicolon separates it when we want to put another style on the same tag. You will see manje. Saka equals no, let us save and see if anything changes. You see, as we saved, yabva yachinja into blue. this is how we change color. Even tikauya pana paragraph, let's say we want to make it red, we just say style. That is our attributes property and the value of our attribute. Here we take in a style, we put the value, the property of the style, which is color, and a colon. Then we put the value of the color, and we save. You see our text becomes red. Another style I want to show you is font size. We want to change the size of this paragraph. So how do we do? As we said, we separate styles by a semicolon. Then we come here where list was still in the quotes, and tichiri mukati memaquotes edu aya tobva tanyora isusu kuti we want to change the font size, right? So we say font, we put a hyphen size like this, and we put our our semicolon. If you see here, we have values. We have large, larger, medium, small, smaller, extra large. We want to use extra large like this, and we save. You see our text yabva yachinja what? Yabva yachinja size. So this is it. If we want to make our H1, let's say our H1, we want to change its size again, we just come kumberi kwe semicolon yedu, we say font size like this, and we say small, and we save. You see our H1 now, it's small. Here it is. So obviously ako say heading unenge usingadi kuti ite diki, but I'm just showing you kuti unozviita sei kana uchida kuzviita. Now let us remove this. It's awkward to see a heading which is more like that. Then we save. Okay, so now let's say we want to style our our background. And so touya pana board, remember takati zvese zviri kuoneka mubrowser medu muno zvinenge zviri mutag rakanzi board. So kana tichida kustyle, tichida kuchinja background yedu yezvese tinouya mutag redu board, tadaiso tobva tachi style like this. And what we want to change is the background color like this. And our background color yedu tinoda kuiseta into, let's say, purple. I just chose purple, I don't know why. And we save. You see our background is now purple, the whole background. So pane something chandoda kutaridza tisati tapedza video redu. If you see kana iri color tangonyora kuti color, but kana property yedu ine two words, for example background color, tino separate those two words na hyphen, because tikaisa space here it doesn't work. You see nothing changed, and kunokutotisira ma lines ekuti tiratidza kuti pane error, because parofangwa kuenda hyphen like this. No inojoinidza ma words edu. Saka let us save again, and you see yachinja. You can start to change the colors to see how it's gonna look. For example, let us put black. We want something chinoonekera kuno. Satikaisa black upper like this. You see kuti blue yedu irunyatsobuda, red yedu irunyatsobuda. So ndizvo zvanaida kudzisa in this video. Naida kudzisa about the style tag. So in our next video we are starting to learn what we call CSS. Here kana mangona tukuta tichistyle trim HTML, but now we want to learn how we style everything, how we take style separately as a whole, because it's a whole topic yakazvimirira. So this is our last video. Tinyanya kufocus on HTML. In the next videos we'll be focusing more on styling our HTML. So thank you for watching this video. Musakangamwe kusubscribe uye kushare nevamwe tidzidze takawanda. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.